Today, our world is developing to a great extent. But are the people of this world developing? Are they growing? Are they changing their mindset? The answer is no. Today, in this developing world, there is a lot of people who don't get their daughters educated, but at the same time, they search for a lady doctor to treat the ladies of their house. Even today, we the daughters are not valued, not respected in the society, as we live in a patriarchal society where the males always get value in all the way. And the reason behind this is dowry. Dowry is a social evil in the society that has caused unimaginable tortures and crimes towards women. The evil has taken lives of women from all the stratas of society, be it poor, middle class or the rich. However, it is the poor who fall prey to it more due to their lack of awareness and education. Today, the government has come up with many laws and reforms not only to eradicate the dowry system but also to uplift the status of the girl child by bringing in many schemes.
The Ain, which was enacted in 2005, it is the protection of women from domestic violence, and the sections 498 IPC, it is Indian Penal Code of our country. The complainant can lodge petitions before the court or before the police station. And under domestic Protection of Women of Domestic Violence Act 2005, under these sections, litigants can file litigations before the CGM court.
We can eradicate dowry by educating our daughters, encourage them to have their own career, teach them to be independent and responsible, treat them equally with any discrimination. Do not encourage the practice of giving or taking dowry. It is up to all of us to take active steps in bringing about the necessary changes and stop either giving or taking dowry. We should start valuing our daughters so that others know their value once they grow up.